Leiten Smart VMS. Our visitor management application is already trusted by 20+ clients. Used in corporate offices, manufacturing units, IT parks, and residential premises. Helping organizations streamline visitor check-ins, vehicle entries, and work permit employees. Built on trust, designed for security, proven in the field. We are evolving with a smarter identity. Leiten Smart VMS is now rebranded as QR Desk. Same reliable solution, now with a stronger brand to serve you better. But that's not all. With QR Desk, we are introducing 3 powerful new add-on features. Canteen Management, Security Guard Patrol, Employee Pass and Vehicle Tracking. QR Desk is expanding beyond visitor management. From visitor management to complete premises control, everything is now possible with QR Desk. One app, multiple solutions, total control. Contact us today to activate these powerful add-on features.